Hi everybody, MacGyver Sharon, still at the RTR, and it was one of those days. Got up early, did laundry, watched a beautiful sunrise, got some groceries, and then I had to report for duty as a volunteer. Love it. And now I'm going to kick back and eat some dinner. I'm just doing a silly little day in the life. So I got a curtain rod thing coming up, so let's check that out on the next vid. Oh, and the solar panels are done. I just got to get around to that. Anyway, check it out. Just a little blah of a day in the life. Check it out. Laundry day. Got a report for duty, so to speak, at 11ish. It's like 7ish. Isn't that beautiful? We are the Quartzsite laundromat. I don't know what it's really called, but there it is. And look, there's a restaurant. Although I don't have the money, so I think I'll just hook on my tailgate while I'm doing laundry. Oh. Good morning. Morning. It's been 2 weeks. Running out of clothes. Tons of clothes. And good old-fashioned laundry bag. Now we must dig for quarters. BRB. Look at that mess. So this is my laundry cart and my water cart and my grocery cart. I think it was like $5 on Facebook Market about a year, 2 years ago. A thin little plastic thing on wheels. So I just unhook these side things. Open it up. Put the bottom down. And there you have it. Just the simple things in life. Very lightweight. Alright, clothes should be dry by now. Gotta get back to the RTR. Hello there, MacGyver Sharon. Finished with my shift at the RTR. Did a little OT, which isn't really OT, but it's a pleasure. So now I'm back in my truck. I have tomorrow off. I'm going to show my rig off down at the open house. Well, I mean, it's a little generic and, you know, old school, self-built. Nothing like these big, humongous RVs that everybody's got. But hey, it's mine, and I built it. So now I'm going to have myself a little dinner. I have to use up the groceries. I went grocery shopping this morning, did my laundry, stopped by the roadside. Well, not really. I went out in the desert a little. Did a little shower, and now I'm hungry. Gonna work on some projects. Got a shower, not a shower, but a back window curtain thing going on. For dinner is the rest of these organic eggs, cooked in earth balance with a little tillamook. Yes, I am a veg head. Shh, don't tell anybody. And then I'm just gonna kick back in my rig and straighten up because I haven't put my laundry or groceries away. So there's my kitchen. And there's my Feed Up Friday. Oh, all the stuff I gotta put away. And there's my backyard. Got my net up. It's pretty warm today in comparison, but as soon as the sun starts to set, it gets a little chilly. But I'm starving. And I'm going to eat. Dinner's cooking up. I had a little pasilla I had to put in there. Got a little tiny spice, plus one of my favorites. I have to order this online. This is my last container. I'm gonna have to order some more. But it's looking good. And that concludes a day in the life at the RTR for MacGyver Sharon. Also, I just wanted to say, peace, love, and understanding, everybody. Y'all take care of yourselves out there.